Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video, but before that, please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Daryl Panfill. I built a replica of the 1964 Munsters coach from the TV show The Munsters. I can tell you a little bit about it. It's got Anson custom wheels on the front and the rear, just like the original car. Built all the brass headlights and the side lanterns by hand fabricated the grille shell as well as the 10-barrel carburetors for the 289 Cobra motor. We can walk around the fenders. The car is all steel. Okay. The car is all steel, so it's all steel fabrication. I've got the brass horn. It should work. You'll have to edit that.
So how does it work?
It don't want to work. Okay. Landau bars, custom-made headers. I built the chassis. It's a 133-inch wheelbase, just like the original Munster coach. I've got a French phone in the rear and the micro TV, just like the TV series had in the car, as well as the Munster system.
Right.
Brass taillight in the rear. Also hand fabricated. So basically the whole car with the footman seat is all hand fabricated. We did all of the diamond tough velvet interior as well with the mohair carpet.
Now, was this your favorite TV show?
This was my favorite TV show as a rerun. But I built model cars when I was younger, and I always had dreamed about building this car in reality. I built the model car multiple times. I actually scaled the model car to build this car and brought it up to a 1-to-1 scale. So that's pretty much where all my dimensions came from, was off of the model car.
How's the car to drive?
The car is fantastic to drive. Like I said, it's 16 years old. I built it between 2003 and 2005, and there are 1,600 man hours invested in this build.
What is the horsepower of this?
About 400 horsepower, 289 Cobra motor with the 10 carburetors.
I bet you get a lot of looks, huh?
Oh yeah, it's still, after 16 years, it surprises me how many people actually still are drawn to this car.
Does Spock guard the car at night?
No, but Wolf does. Wolf is in the back seat, and he watches the car for me. He's right there.
Oh, there you go.
So Eddie's Wolf is in there, and he watches the car for me.
That is so funny. That is so cool. Well, let's take a peek at this dash here.
Absolutely.
That is nice.
Some gauges. I get the Munster stereo in there. Also, these footsteps were all hand fabricated, and all the scroll work was hand rolled as well.
And what are the size of these tires? Do you know by chance?
Yes, those are 10-inch Radar slicks and 10-inch rims, Anson rims.
There you go.
Very rare to find.
There you go.
A lot of stuff is also rare on this car to find.
Do you drive the car shows? Do you trailer it?
I drive it. I don't trailer it. I trailered it one time to New York, Long Island, New York, to shoot the TV Land Awards commercial in 2006. That's the only only time this car's been trailered. Other than that, I drive it. It's meant to be driven.
The other person that was with you, what is his responsibility?
My brother Dave Panfill, and my brother Glenn Panfill are two of the other builders that were here to help me with it. So it was a whole brother effort with building the fabrication all the way down to the electrical wiring that my brother Jerry Panfill did. He did all the electrical and mechanical stuff, as well as doing the, Glenn and I did all of the body fabrication, and Dave and I did the body work and Dave also, one of his specialties is pinstriping, the gold leafing, and the glass etching on the windshield. I don't know if you've seen it, or the headlights. So take a look at the headlights and the glass in the windshield. You'll see the glass etching in the windshield for the spider webs.
Oh yeah.
So my brother Dave here, he's the one that did that.
Yeah, that is nice. That's a nice.
And then he etched the headlights too.
Right.
As well as did all of the pinstriping and the gold leaf.
Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, that detail really.
So it was a whole family effort to build the car. It took us 2 years to build it.
Sure. Wow. And then what's next for this? Anything? It's
I just enjoy it. Now, of course, I've always there's always little things that I find that I want to add on to it to make it a little bit more authentic, but not much, I can tell you. There's not much missing.
Halloween comes along.
Okay, so Halloween, well, me and my wife and my nephew will get dressed up as Herman, Lily, and Eddie, and then drive around town handing candy out to the kids that are trick-or-treating in Lombard. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the next video.